human body is a marvel of interconnected systems, but none are as intricate and vital as the nervous system. This remarkable network acts as our body's electrical grid, transmitting information at lightning speed. It allows us to perceive the world, think, feel, and move. The nervous system is divided into two main parts: the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The CNS, comprising the brain and spinal cord, is the primary command center. The PNS, a network of nerves branching out from the CNS, acts as the communication highway. Understanding the nervous system is key to understanding what makes us human. It's the root of our senses, our thoughts, our emotions, and our actions. At the heart of the nervous system lies the brain, a 3-pound organ of astonishing complexity. It's the control center for everything we do, from breathing and heartbeat to thinking, learning, and feeling emotions. Working in tandem with the brain is the spinal cord, a long, delicate structure that runs down the back. The spinal cord carries messages from the brain to the muscles and organs, allowing for movement and other bodily functions. It also carries sensory information from the body back to the brain, allowing us to feel sensations like touch, temperature, and pain. The brain is not a uniform mass, but a collection of specialized areas that work together. The cerebrum, responsible for higher-level functions like thought, language, memory, and voluntary movement, is divided into 2 hemispheres. Each hemisphere is further divided into 4 lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. The frontal lobe handles planning, decision-making, and personality. The parietal lobe processes sensory information. The temporal lobe is involved in hearing and memory. The occipital lobe is responsible for vision. The cerebellum coordinates movement, balance, and posture, while the brainstem manages essential life functions. Extending from the brain and spinal cord is the peripheral nervous system, a vast network of nerves that reaches every corner of the body. These nerves act like communication cables, carrying messages between the central nervous system and the muscles, organs, and sensory receptors. The peripheral nervous system has 2 main divisions: the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements and sensory information. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary functions like breathing, heart rate, and digestion. The sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for stress, while the parasympathetic system promotes relaxation. Together, they maintain balance in our body's functions. The nervous system is built from specialized cells called neurons, which are the fundamental units of communication. Neurons transmit information throughout the body in the form of electrical and chemical signals. A typical neuron consists of a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. Dendrites receive signals, while the axon transmits them to other neurons, muscles, or glands. Neurons are supported by glial cells, which provide insulation, support, and protection. Communication between neurons occurs at synapses, where neurotransmitters cross the gap to trigger new signals. This process allows for complex communication within the nervous system. Protecting the brain from harm is paramount, and that's where the blood-brain barrier comes in. This highly selective barrier controls what substances can enter the brain from the bloodstream. Formed by specialized cells, it prevents harmful substances from reaching the brain. While essential for protection, it also presents a challenge for delivering medications to the brain. Scientists are researching ways to bypass the blood-brain barrier to treat neurological disorders. The human nervous system is a testament to the incredible complexity and elegance of the human body, allowing us to experience the world, think, feel, and move.